I'd like to talk to you a little bit about one of my most preferred therapy methods called acceptance and commitment therapy. We call it ACT for short, and it's really based on the idea that when we can be present and open up to difficult feelings and do what matters, that it allows us to create lives of meaning, caring, and connection. In ACT, we use a set of skills to help move through your day with more ease, but more importantly, to begin to build into your day things that really allow you to feel a sense of purpose and meaning. So when we talk about being present, it's really just noticing what's going on. Noticing what's going on internally, how you're feeling, any areas of discomfort, noticing what's going on around you. And then once you're present, you have the opportunity to recognize any difficult emotions, any negative thoughts that might be coming up. And with that, we want to open up. In fact, ACT handles those in ways that might be unfamiliar and take a little bit of time to adjust to, because what we say is what you resist persists. And so rather than trying to get rid of difficult emotions, we actually work on skills to open up, to allow ourselves to tolerate rather than to struggle with those feelings. And then with our thoughts, we want to be able to recognize that we are not our thoughts. In fact, our minds are constantly telling us stories, and some of those stories are just not helpful. What we want to do in those situations is be able to recognize, be able to see, is in fact this thought going to get me where I want to go? And if it's not, then we use skills to try to step back, to get a different perspective, to recognize that we can literally let that thought go and not act on it. And then as we're trying to decide, okay, I'm not feeling very comfortable, this is difficult, what do I do next? We want to quote, do what matters. And that means that we get in touch with our values and take action that's going to lead us in that direction. Sometimes when we try to avoid those difficult thoughts or feelings, we end up not doing things that could allow us to feel better and to be more of the person that we want to be in the long run.